Today, I'm going to share with you my latest dividend growth stock. This stock has a double-digit dividend growth and the potential that the shares are 30% undervalued. China Banking Corporation with ticker CBC, commonly known as China Bank, is one of the oldest banks in the Philippines. Founded in 1920, the bank provides a full range of financial services, including retail banking, corporate banking, consumer loans, credit cards, wealth management, treasury services, and digital banking. China Bank is part of the SM Group and has established itself as one of the country's most reliable and conservative banking institutions. Unlike some banks that aggressively chase growth, CBC focuses on disciplined lending, strong asset quality, and sustainable profitability. That strategy has produced impressive results over the last several years. The bank is employing more than 11,000 people and has a market capitalization of 148 billion pesos. China Bank is centering on these three initiatives to further strengthen its efficiency and profitability. First, accelerate digital banking transformation. The bank is rapidly improving its digital footprints through instant transfers, digital account opening, mobile lending, and AI-powered customer support. Second, CBC is expanding consumer lending and SME financing. China Bank already has a strong presence in these markets, but expanding selectively into high-quality consumer and SMC borrowers could significantly boost interest income. The key here is maintaining strict credit standards while capturing growth opportunities. Third, the bank is strengthening fee-based income businesses. China Bank needs to generate income beyond lending and focus on areas such as wealth management, trust services, insurance distribution, investment products, and transaction banking. These services can provide recurring fee income without requiring large amounts of capital. There are three things investors should notice on the figures here. First, revenue has grown every single year from 2021 through 2025. That indicates healthy business expansion rather than one-time gains. Second, net income has more than doubled over the same period. Very few mature banks can deliver that kind of earnings growth while maintaining strong asset quality. Third, the bank's profitability remains strong. Management reported return on equity exceeding 15% in 2025, which places China Bank among the better performing Philippine banks. Overall, the earnings trajectory remains very encouraging. What makes China Bank attractive is not simply the yield, it is the consistency. From 2022 to 2026, dividends increased every year, earnings continued growing, and payouts remained well supported by profits. This is exactly what long-term dividend investors want to see. A growing dividend backed by growing earnings is generally far more valuable than a high dividend that is unsupported by business performance. The steady upward trend suggests management remains confident in the future profitability. If I were to evaluate China Bank today, I would view it primarily as a long-term dividend and value investment. The positives are clear: consistent earnings growth, strong return on equity, conservative risk management, increasing dividends, and attractive valuation compared to peers. However, investors should understand that banking remains cyclical. The bank's future risks include slower economic growth, rising credit losses, margin pressure if interest rates decline, and increased competition from digital banks. Despite these risks, China Bank appears well positioned to continue generating solid returns over the long run. For dividend-focused investors, the stock remains one of the more attractive opportunities in the Philippine banking sector. For growth investors, expectations should be moderate. This is not a high-growth technology company. It is a mature, stable financial institution that compounds value steadily over time. To summarize, China Bank has delivered impressive growth in revenue, earnings, and dividends over the past 5 years. The bank continues to strengthen its core business while maintaining healthy profitability and asset quality. If management successfully expands digital banking, grows consumer lending, and increases fee-based income, income, the company could become even more efficient and profitable in the years ahead. For investors seeking a combination of stability, dividend income, and long-term compounding potential, China Bank deserves serious consideration. If you enjoyed this analysis, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future stock reviews and dividend investing content. Also, let me know in the comments, do you currently own China Bank stock? And do you think CBC is one of the best dividend-paying bank stocks in the Philippines? Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.